Today I'm going to show you guys how I go from pin straight hair to voluminous curls. This is kind of like my favorite way to fake a blowout with a straightener. And today I'm using a steam straightener, actually from Wavytalk. It's super affordable. I think it's like 60 bucks. So if you guys want to check it out, of course, I'm going to tag it right here in this video. So I'm going to turn this on and we're going to start warming it up. I use it in the heat setting 370 and I put it in the steam feature. The only thing about the straightener is that the cord is like so short. So if you see me going like this, that's why. This straightener is a little bit over an inch. So you want to use a straightener that is bigger than an inch. I feel like the 1-inch straightener just make my curls super tight and they don't really look like blowout curls. And if you have a bigger one like this one, then I think you get like more loose blowout curls. So I would recommend using a bigger straightener. And what I like to do is just take the piece of hair, flip the straightener, and then start bringing this down very slowly. You can even flip it one more time as you go down. And you guys will see the curl that I get. I mean, even that curl looks a little bit tight for me. Like, look at that curl. Look at the shine that you get. Like, you guys, my hair is so shiny. And this curl is so bouncy. I'm gonna do another one. I also love that I'm able to take very big sections because I'm using a bigger flat iron. So I'm able to do my hair super quickly. So again, you take the straightener and then you flip it around, bring the hair back and start bringing this down very slowly. If you want a looser curl, you can do this a lot quicker. So flip it one more time if you want. And then just let it go. And you get such a pretty curl. So let's just continue to do my hair as we catch up a little bit on life. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in so long. There's so much going on in my life right now and I feel like I don't really share that too much online. Since I'm always posting beauty videos, I feel like sometimes I don't really take time to just like talk to you guys about my life online, I guess. And I definitely want to change that because in reality, like, there's so much going on in my life right now. I post every single week on YouTube and lately I haven't been able to post as much because I have been just really focused on my fertility and getting pregnant. My husband and I have been trying for some time now and we just haven't been able to get pregnant. So that is kind of like what's on my mind 24/7 now. So we're just, you know, getting checked, doing some labs and tests done just to see what's going on. But yeah, it has been a bit of a journey, but I have faith in God that it will happen very soon and I cannot wait to be a mom. Like, I just want to be a mom so bad. God's timing is perfect, so I just have faith in God that it will happen. But we are definitely super excited to one day be parents because that is truly such a blessing. So yeah, if you guys see that maybe I skip a week and I'm not able to post, that is why. I have been getting so much blood work done, you guys. Like, oh my God, you guys can probably see it right there. Like, I literally got blood work done yesterday and last week and like the week before that, and I have just been getting like all these tests done. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster. It's been a lot. I had very low iron, like super low, about like 2 months ago, and I have been working to get that iron up. I have been eating a lot of lentils. Of course, I take iron supplements first thing in the morning, and I have been juicing like crazy. Like, I have become a juicer, you guys. Like, every single week I juice. It's insane. I make this delicious beet juice that has beets, carrots, ginger, lemon, and apples, and I feel like that has been helping me a lot because my iron levels did go up, so that is good. And I heard that if you have very low iron, it's super hard to get pregnant. So I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna keep taking care of myself. I have stopped drinking, which I mean, I was never like a big drinker to begin with, but I would drink maybe like in the weekends, you know, a glass of wine or two. But now I have completely cut that, and I have been trying to continue to work out. I've been taking a lot of CoQ10, a lot of supplements. So yeah, it's a lot, it's so much, and it's just like a roller coaster of emotions, because a month could come and you're like, oh, I might be pregnant, and then you kind of symptom spot in your mind and you're like, oh, maybe I'm pregnant because I feel this way, I'm a little bloated or whatever, and then you got your period and you're like, no, I'm not pregnant. So it's very draining, especially if you've been trying to get pregnant for a couple years. It's super, super draining. Something else that I have been really implementing is trying to live a more like toxic free life. I have been trying to detox from a lot of plastic. I am shocked to see how plastic is everywhere, and it has been affecting fertility so much in the last few years. If you haven't watched the Netflix documentary called The Plastic Detox, you should definitely check it out. It's about these 5 couples that struggle with infertility, and they do like this huge plastic detox, and they remove plastic from their lives. And you guys, I don't want to spoil it, but the ending is pretty impressive. So you guys, I don't even buy plastic water bottles anymore. Like, I have done such a change in my lifestyle. I go to the supermarket and refill my glass gallons, and it has become part of my routine, and I'm loving it. I really am. So if you guys want to see a little bit more of that part of my life, I would love to show you guys. I have been trying to eat a lot healthier, and yeah, there's just a lot that goes into fertility. I did not know that getting pregnant was so hard, at least for me, and that there's so much that goes into getting pregnant, like so much. So I'm sorry for the rant, but if you guys want me to share that part of my life a little bit more with you guys on my YouTube channel, then definitely let me know. But anyways, I'm going to loosen up my curls now, because as you can see, they look so good but a little bit tight. So once I loosen them up with this comb, you're gonna notice such a big difference in the volume. So I'm just gonna do that right now. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. I love that. I mean, it really looks like a fake blowout look. I really love a sleek look, but this is super fun. And I think I'm digging this side even more than this side. Anyways, I'm gonna do this side now, and I'll be right back with the final look. All right, you guys, I am done with this side. I love how my hair turned out. Like, it really looks like if I went to the beauty salon. And I did my hair at home with a Wavytalk hair tool that is like $60. But I really think it's that steam feature that really helps give me that extra shine and moisture. If you want to add a little bit of texture, I always like using a texture spray. This one is my favorite, hands down. Like, I use this so much. It's from Maine. It's the Cotton Candy, and I've actually had this for a while now, and I still have a pretty good amount of this in here. So yeah, this will last you a long time. Just like to add this everywhere. But yeah, guys, this is my fake blowout routine. It is so easy to do. I did my hair in like 10 minutes, and these curls will definitely last me even longer than like blowout curls with a heated round brush or the Dyson Airwrap, because when you use a straightener, you are using a little bit of extra heat, so the curls do last a little bit longer. So make sure that you also add heat protectant. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, it was so nice talking to you guys and just opening up a little bit more about my life and what's going on right now. I love you guys, and thank you so much for being a part of this community for so many years now. I cannot believe that I have been posting on YouTube for like 8 years now. It's insane. I feel like you guys have kind of like seen me grow a little bit in my journey. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.